I'm Alex with Storyline Travel. This video, we're going to talk about celebration travel. Celebration travel is one area of travel that Storyline Travel we really enjoy planning for our clients and our guests. One of the first celebration travel that a couple may enjoy is their honeymoon. They've just gotten married and they want to kick off that marriage right by spending time together in a calm, romantic setting. At least many couples want to do that. In the case of a honeymoon, if a romantic setting is what you're looking for, we may plan to go to the Caribbean, maybe an all-inclusive resort, or spending time on one of the islands where you're relaxing and just spending time together. Or perhaps you want to go in the other direction and stay in Hawaii. Both destinations will offer you some very beautiful, quiet, unique resorts and really contribute to that romantic atmosphere both in the destination itself, but also in the offerings. So it could be a nice romantic restaurant or that beautiful sunset on the beach. Some differences between, let's say, the Caribbean and Hawaii. In the Caribbean, you'll find all-inclusive resorts. These resorts offer one package price for your resort room, some beach activities, and will include restaurants and meals and beverages in the price. Whereas in Hawaii, they don't offer all-inclusive resorts. Their resorts are focused on the beach and the room, but they like you to get out and to explore the islands and see the beauty and the romance that is alive and well in Hawaii. After a few years, maybe a milestone anniversary is something you want to celebrate. These tend to end in 5s or 0s, and a time for a couple to get away and refresh their marriage. Celebrate the number of years they've been together. In addition to popular honeymoon destinations like resorts in the Caribbean or Hawaii, you may want to consider a cruise where you can still have quiet time together but have the opportunity for more lively and entertaining venues. In addition to the quiet and romantic settings, there are couples who would rather have adventure, and taking their partner along, they might want to visit Alaska and go see the glaciers, take a hike through the snow, or visit a dog sledding kennel and play with the dogs. Or maybe go see a volcano and head to Iceland. Perhaps exploration is much more your speed and you head to the Galapagos Islands. Celebration for a couple, it's really about you and what you want. What do you enjoy doing together, and how would you like to celebrate this momentous occasion? Sometimes a couple will celebrate a milestone that is much bigger number, maybe a 50th anniversary, and in that case, they want to bring along their family. When you have these types of milestone celebrations, traveling with a group of either friends to help you celebrate that 50th, or more likely a multi-generational family, then the planning shifts a bit. Yes, we want to celebrate that milestone, but we want to celebrate that milestone where everyone in the group is enjoying themselves. Cruises can be fun in that you get the opportunity to have activities from small children all the way up to seniors. These celebrations can be marked by special dining events in which the whole group is brought together for a meal, where it's capped off by singing, and a special way to celebrate the anniversary couple. Speaking of milestones, how about birthday celebrations? Traveling to celebrate a birthday can be fun, not just for the birthday person, but for the whole family or a group of friends that are helping them celebrate. A popular way to celebrate the birthday of a child may be to visit one of the U.S. theme parks Whether visiting a Disney theme park or Universal theme park, or many of the smaller regional theme parks, these venues really cater towards that birthday experience for a young traveler. It gives them the chance to get attention drawn to them, which not every kid likes, but a lot of them do, and to celebrate that birthday with fun, family, and friends. Birthday celebrations should really focus on the person and what they enjoy doing. And we love to help plan those and find unique experiences that mark that celebration, not just for the birthday person, but for everyone involved. And finally, as the adult and those milestone celebrations come along, inviting your friends and family along with you. It's a lot of fun to go to different resorts and enjoy the activities that are there. Again, capping off with some type of celebration ceremony, marking that achievement of how many times you've revolved around the sun. Celebration travel actually can be for many different types of reasons. Maybe it's a bachelor or bachelorette party before a wedding. It could be celebrating getting a new job or graduating high school or college. There's many reasons to celebrate, and travel is a great way to do it. You see, travel gives you that experience, and you'll always have something to think back on to fondly remember that milestone in your life. You know, in many ways, that's why we call ourselves Storyline Travel. We love helping people create stories through travel. And celebration travel is one of those great chapters you'll add to the story of your life. As you're planning to celebrate the next milestone in your life, when you're going to add travel to it, give Storyline Travel a call. We'd love to help you. And at Storyline Travel, we believe every adventure is a story waiting to be told.